Do you understand English but still can't speak fluently? You're not alone. Today, I'll share 4 powerful tips that helped me and millions of others speak better English every single day. Let's go. Tips 1. Stop translating in your head. If you translate every word in your head, English becomes slow and stressful. Your brain gets stuck between 2 languages. The secret is to learn short sentences, not single words. Example, instead of thinking, I want to sleep, just remember, I want to sleep as one sentence, a full idea. When you're tired, say, I want to sleep. Every time. No translation, just use it. Tips 2. Talk to yourself in English. You don't need a partner or a teacher. Just talk to yourself. Yes, really. This builds confidence and trains your mouth to speak. How to do it? Talk while doing daily tasks. Say what you're doing. Example, I'm making coffee. The water is hot. I need a clean cup. This coffee smells good. Tips 3. Think in English all day. Thinking in English changes everything. It trains your brain to stay in English mode. Even if you don't speak, thinking helps you grow. How to practice? As you go through the day, describe things in your mind. Example, it's a beautiful morning. He looks tired. That dress is blue. I forgot my keys. Tips 4. Learn phrases, not words. Many people try to memorize long word lists, but words are not enough. You need to learn phrases, real, useful sentences you can use. Example, instead of learning just apple, learn I eat an apple every morning. She bought some green apples. Do you like apples? Don't wait for the perfect time to learn English. Start today. Speak to yourself. Think in English. Practice every day, even for 10 minutes. If you found this helpful, like and subscribe for more fun cartoon English tips. See you next time.